welcome to Navigating Pilot Eligibility After 12th. For many, the dream of flying starts with a glance at the sky, but the path to the cockpit of an Indian aircraft is paved with specific standards and checklists. Today, we're going to treat this presentation like a pre-flight briefing, ensuring you have the right altitude, heading, and status to clear the entry barriers of Indian aviation. Every great flight begins long before the engines start. It begins with a rigorous check on the ground. While the dream is born in the clouds, the reality is built on data and preparation. Just as a pilot runs through their instruments to ensure every system is green for go, a student must pass a comprehensive eligibility checklist before they can even begin their formal training. To simplify this journey, we have identified 4 non-negotiable entry standards that dictate your clearance for flight. Think of these as the 4 pillars of your foundation: physical airworthiness, academic grounding in science, linguistic proficiency in English, and chronological compliance with age limits. Each one is essential. If even one pillar is missing, the flight cannot proceed. Let's look at the academic pillar first. Aviation is a field of precision, which is why physics and mathematics at the Class 12 level are mandatory. If you took the science stream, you are on Route Alpha with automatic clearance. However, if you come from a commerce or arts background, don't worry, you can take Route Bravo by completing these subjects through recognized open schooling programs. The cockpit is still within your reach. Timing is everything in aviation. There are 2 critical milestones on your age runway. At age 17, you reach the climb, where you are legally allowed to begin flight training and accumulate hours. However, you must reach age 18, your cruising altitude, before the DGCA can officially issue your commercial pilot license. It's a progression that ensures maturity follows skill. Next is the language of the skies. English isn't just a subject here. It's the universal operating language of global aviation. Whether you are flying over Delhi or London, communication must be crystal clear to ensure safety. This requirement isn't about passing an exam, but about ensuring that every command and coordinate is understood without a shadow of a doubt. The final barrier is medical airworthiness. Being a pilot is physically demanding, and you must meet strict, legally defined health standards to ensure you can handle the pressures of flight. While your status might be pending for now, we will dive deep into how to decode and pass these medical exams in our very next module. In summary, once you align these 4 pillars, securing your academics, meeting the age milestones, mastering English, and confirming your medical fitness, your pre-flight checklist is complete. You have officially cleared the ground checks. You are now ready to move forward and begin your journey toward becoming a professional pilot in India. Welcome to the hangar.
Dreaming of flying across the world? Not just India, but Paris, London, Dubai. An EASA license is your passport to global skies. Recognized in 31 countries and accepted by airlines worldwide. Train in Europe with modern aircraft, multicultural exposure, and the world's highest safety standards. And yes, you can always convert back to DGCA if you choose to return. Confused about costs, universities, or visa process? We're here to help for free. Hurry! Click the link below to register for your free one-on-one consultation today. Limited seats available. Your global cockpit awaits. Worldwide.